Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for May and I've got the Natural Wellness box. This is how it arrives in the post. I've got my address on the back there. If you're new to the subscription, then carry on watching. I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box was kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'll pop a link to the subscription plus their website plus a code that they've given me, which is Diary10, which will entitle you to receive 10% off your first box. I'll pop all that down below in my description. The Natural Wellness box is a bi-monthly subscription box that ships internationally. The cost of the box is £38 and that includes shipping within the UK. Shipping to Europe is an additional £9.95. If you don't fancy committing to a subscription, you are able to purchase these boxes as one-offs for £42, plus they offer a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Inside you find between 5 to 7 beauty and wellness products. The aim is to help you feel healthy and beautiful from the inside out. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their May-June box. So inside there's a booklet and it details everything about the theme for this month, which I'll tell you a little bit about, and also the products and the cost, so I'm able to refer to this as we go along. Then a little card saying, I hope you feel rejuvenated after trying all these beautiful products. Thank you for all your support, Catherine. Thank you. And then we have some cards here related to products in the box for extra information. So let's open it up. I can see some things have extra packaging on. The theme this month is Rejuvenation Collection. This month we have chosen an exclusive selection of products which will rejuvenate your skin, hair, mind and body ready for summer. Expect a complete wellness overhaul from the inside out with beautiful, luxurious, rejuvenating products. Give yourself some much needed TLC and a natural boost. We have covered everything in this collection from healthy guts to healthy skin. Okay, so I'll go through the booklet and grab the products as we go along. First up, we've got a number 3 Smoothing Hair Oil by Florigy for all hair types, vitamins A, B and E. And there's 15 mils here. New brand for me. This is what I love about the subscription. I am introduced to so many new and different brands. Just trying a little bit on my hand. Well, it feels nice on my skin and it smells gorgeous. Oh, is it lemongrass? I'll have a look now, it might say in the information, but my sense of smell is not great. I can smell something lemony anyway. As far as an oil on my hand goes, it does feel really nice. It's absorbing well into my skin, but obviously it's for your hair. Yeah, my skin feels so soft. This hair oil retails for £14. It's an award-winning smoothing hair oil. It helps to seal in moisture and add shine, making it a wash bag essential. Heavily scented with grapefruit and lavender. It is grapefruit, not lemons. Similar. Similar. Okay. Heavily scented with grapefruit and lavender oils, this lightweight blend features almond oil to nourish and strengthen hair, promoting repair to fewer breakages, and camellia oil to hydrate, creating a smooth, luxurious finish. Winner of Best Hair Product at the Beauty Shortlist Awards 2021. And it just goes on to telling you how to apply it. 3 to 4 drops onto damp, clean hair, working the oil through the length. Dry and style as normal. Alternatively, you can massage 5 to 10 drops into dry hair and scalp, leave overnight, then shampoo and condition hair in the morning for a deep conditioning treatment suitable for frequent use. That sounds really nice actually, and the smell is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it feels nice. So you've got a hair oil. Next up we've got some supplements. These are from Portion London, the Multibiotic Acidophilus Formula and Prebiotic Food Supplement, and the 60 capsules here. There. These supplements retail for £30. Rejuvenate your health and gut with this multibiotic supplement by Potion London, providing 5 billion probiotic bacteria alongside a supporting prebiotic base, which provides the bacteria culture with the best environment in which to survive, thrive and do their work. This product contains 6 carefully selected strains of good bacteria for maximum probiotic effectiveness and are ideal for maintaining the right balance of friendly bacteria in the system day to day or after a course course of antibiotics. Modern day lifestyles, poor diet, stress and some medicines can deplete the friendly bacteria which play a vital role in our body. I've been looking around for a probiotic. I'm not sure if it's connected to having an underactive thyroid and polycystic ovary syndrome. I'm not too sure, but I do know is that I have gut issues. I don't absorb nutrients really well. Anything to help the gut then is good. I'm really chuffed to have this and start it. Yeah, so we got 60 capsules there, so we got like a 2-month supply. Next, we have got Creature of Habit Gentle Daily Cleansing Balm. Oil to milk formula, a soft textured balm for an effective deep cleanse. And it's 45 mils here. Look, it's pretty, isn't it? I don't think it has a scent. I don't think so. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, it's really, really soft. It's really soft. Yeah, I'm going to put that straight down to my bathroom. Bathroom's downstairs. I hate it being downstairs, but it's just the way our house is, upside down. So yeah, oil to milk formula. This cleansing balm retails for £34, designed to remove any impurities from the day without stripping your skin of its natural moisture, leaving behind a soft glowing complexion. This soft textured balm is all you need for an effective deep cleanse. Even mascara doesn't stand a chance. Recommended for all skin types as it's fragrance essential oil free. To use, massage a scoop of balm into dry skin, allowing the cleanser to break down makeup and dissolve excess oil and impurities from the skin. Add a splash of water and massage again to begin emulsifying the cleanser. Next, fully rinse off using warm water or warm damp cloth. Can be used AM and PM as part of your regular daily cleanse. For an intensive hydrating mask, leave the balm on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Do not place wet fingers into the cleansing balm. Okay. No, you don't want to turn it to milk. We have got Il Apothecary Speak Your Truth Aroma Roller. Okay, a rich earthy scent which combines the mothers of aromatherapy, rose and sandalwood, with a hint of sweet vanilla, ideal to help centre oneself. And there's 10 mils. There. How rosy is it? Because I'm not that keen on rose scent. Oh, that's nice actually. It's nice, it is nice. It's not the old-fashioned rosy smell. I can't describe it. It's more, I don't know, but you can smell other things with it as well. It is really nice. Yeah, I'd wear that. It's always a worry whenever I get rosy things in boxes. This aroma roller retails for £28. Grounding, soothing, shielding, rejuvenate your mind and mood with this beautiful aroma roller, loved by Jodie Comer. It helps to carry you into a positive dimension where anything is possible. It is a pack of cold-pressed oil rich in vitamins A, B, C and K, and known for its anti-inflammatory properties to help nourish and rejuvenate dull, tired skin. To use, rollers needed over pulse points on your wrists or your neck. Yeah, no, that sounds amazing, doesn't it? Next, we've got something from Spruce. This is a natural fruit powder, wild cherry, raspberry and elderflower. 12 drinks, and you just add water. We had something similar to this a couple of months ago. Oh, look! Wow, raspberry and elderflower just sounds amazing. Oh, it does. Sounds really, really lovely. Are they all the same? Yeah, raspberry and elderflower. These fruit powders cost £6 per bot. Spruce is 100% natural fruit powder made from real fruits. Spruce is sugar-free, enriched with essential vitamins and designed to help you drink more water. Mix with water to make a refreshing drink. You can drink 3 to 6 sachets a day to enjoy the optimum combination of hydration and vitamin intake. Each sachet contains 40 to 50% of your recommended daily allowance for each vitamin, and you can safely consume up to 500% of the recommended daily allowance. A perfect rejuvenating drink for spring and summer. It sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? Yeah, look forward to trying that. And then lastly, we've got a sweet treat. This is Gatto creams, if I've said that right. This is plant-based, gluten-free, high fibre and chocolate and vanilla cookies filled with cream. And there's 2 in there. Oh, they look gorgeous, don't they? They look like little Oreos. These retail for £1.59. These crunchy chocolate cookies sandwiched together with a smooth vanilla cream are ridiculous, and they're vegan, gluten-free, high in fibre and 30% less sugar than similar cookies. Time to rejuvenate your snack cupboard. These creams are incredibly delicious with added nutrients and none of the rubbish. Once you try these, you'll be hooked. So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month, or May and June's, Natural Wellness Box. I'm just going to add them all up and then I'll give you a bit of a recap as well. We've got supplements from Potion London, a multibiotic. Florigy number 3, Soothing Hair Oil. Isla Apothecary, an aroma roller. Creature of Habit, Daily Cleansing Balm. Gatto or Gatto creams, 2 little cookies. And lastly, Spruce. 12 sachets to add into water for flavour. The cost of the box is £38 and it has a value of £113.59, so well above the cost of the actual box. I really like the themes of the boxes, and yeah, the scents, the tastes. I really do like the products in this month's box. Can't wait to use the cleansing balm. I have a bit of an obsession with cleansing balms. I have a lot of them and I like to dip in and out using different ones. It feels really nice and I love the fact that it goes from an oil to a milk formula as well. The hair oil, I'm more likely to use that during the night as opposed to during the day because my hair is quite fine. If I apply any oils to it, it just tends to look a little bit ratty. But overnight treatment, yeah, it smells absolutely gorgeous with that lemony grapefruit. But yeah, I'd use it more as a nighttime treatment. Definitely starting the supplements tomorrow, and the rollerball as well. That is a really nice smell. I'm going to read more about it to see how I can use it day to day, but it just sounds really lovely and uplifting, rejuvenating, and it's not a nasty rosy scent. Well, not the type of rose that I don't like there. And then the snacks and the flavoured water. Yeah, overall, I really like this box. I always do. It is one of my favourite subscription boxes out there. I do really like it, especially as it's a bi-monthly box as well. So, and the fact that I get to try products I've never tried before, so that's always exciting. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Have you got any favourites? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.